Hello, in this tutorial I'd be explaining about Angular 5 event binding. There would be scenarios where we need to communicate the user actions from the UI to the component. User actions such as clicking a link, pushing a button, entering text. All these events raises the DOM events. You can use Angular 5 event binding to respond to any DOM event. So many of these events are triggered by the user input. Let's explain the Angular 5 event binding using a small example. I have created a button here in my view, and one click of this is not going to do anything. I haven't hooked up any click event to this button. Now we can see how we can use the Angular event binding to show the interaction when the user clicks on the button. The Angular event binding is written in the small bracket, use the click event. So this says that the click event, and I'm going to write a method here on user created. So I'm trying to output the user is created when user clicks on the add user button. So I've created a event binding here on the click event, erase the method on user created. So I'm going to create this method in my component. So here I'm going to output the user is created. I'm going to hard code that over here, user status. So initially the value is going to be user is not created. But when the user clicks on the button, I want to return the status user is created. I'm going to use string interpolation to display that status. User status. So now we can see the text user is not created. So when you click on this add user, the click event triggers on user created method, and in on user created method in my user component, I'm telling return this user status user is created. And I'm outputting the user status value using string interpolation. String interpolation is nothing but using the curly braces and outputting the data over there. This is event binding in Angular 5. Thank you.